Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today we are making an adorable easy crochet heart pattern. This quick and simple design is perfect for adding a sweet handmade touch to any project or gift. So grab your yarn and let's get started. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop on our hook. This is the magic ring, and we will start the round 1 by chain 4. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain, 2, 3 and 4. And then work 3 treble crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. We will make 2 more treble crochets inside the magic ring. Now we have completed 3 treble crochets here, and then work 3 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. We will work 2 more double crochets. And then we need to work 1 more treble crochet. Now we are moving into the second half of the heart. Work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will work 3 treble crochets inside the ring. One, 2 and 3. After that, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then work a slip stitch into the magic ring to join the round. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first round. Do not pull the tail tight to close the ring yet, and we will start with round 2. Now we need to work 1 single crochet into the very first chain here. So we will go into this loop of the first chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet, and then work 1 increase into each one of the next 3 chains, which means we need to work 2 single crochets into each one of the chains. 1 and 2 single crochets. This is an increase. Again work 2 single crochets into the next chain here. 1 and 2. Again go into the next chain and work 2 single crochets into that as well. 1 and 2. And then work 1 single crochet increase into each one of the next 2 stitches here. So we will go into this stitch and work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Then work 2 single crochets into the next stitch, 1 and 2. Now Work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 4 stitches. 1 single crochet into the first stitch here, and 1 single crochet into the second stitch, and then another single crochet into the third stitch, and another single crochet into the fourth stitch. Now we will work 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. We have completed 1 single crochet, and this is 1 double crochet and another 1 single crochet into the very same stitch, all 3 stitches in the same stitch, and then work 1 single crochet in each one of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will work 1 single crochet increase into each one of the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Again go into the next stitch and work 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Now we will work 1 single crochet increase in each one of the next 3 chains here. So we will go into the first chain and work 2 single crochets, and go into the next chain and work another 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Again go into the next chain and work 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Now you can see that we are left with 1 chain here. So we are going to work 1 single crochet into that last chain. After that, work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round, and then we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. I didn't close the magic ring in the first round. That's because it is easier for us to find the chains if we don't close the magic ring. Now it's the time for finishing. We will just pull this tail tight to close the magic ring now. Like so. This is what it looks like, and then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails. Now we can just cut the excess piece of yarn, and there you have it. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed making this cute crochet heart. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun crochet tutorials. If you create this heart, share it with me using #Handmade crochet, and for exclusive patterns you can check out my Patreon. See you next time.